And I'm just so amazed of what is happening. Yeah, let's head to the garage. Ben, seriously. It's right on top of us right now. Right on top. You can really see it. People, you might get this too. At your place. Wherever you guys live. It's just so amazing.
The storm is like...
It's insane. It's crazy.
Is that what they call rolling thunder?
No.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
It's dangerous.
Crap, I felt a raindrop.
Go inside.
Dangerous? I wouldn't have my kids out.
I felt a raindrop on my forehead.
It's coming towards us. It's coming towards us.
Whoa.
Holy
oh my God.
shit.
Oh God. Get in.
Holy.
I'm going to go inside. That's freaky.
Holy. I'm saying it. I don't care if I get in trouble, I'm saying it. Holy. I can't. I don't. Oh my God. Fuck, that's so hard.
Use that toolbox and put it back by the
Holy
workbench.
shit. Hold on, let me shut it.
Come on. Get in! Get in! I didn't say it in a foreign language, Alex!
That was fucking crazy.
Jammies are on the couch, Jane.
Dude, my heart is pounding so hard. The loudest lightning struck ever.
Please, right now.
Be right back.
Ben and
Okay, I'm
Alex,
back.
I want jammies on right now.
I got
And you can watch. I want jammies on first, or you're going to go straight to bed.
You know what?
This
I'm
is
not
just-
going to bed with that storm.
Okay, well, we don't have a choice because it's bedtime.
Well, we're gonna look at this,
Insane, the
Mom.
biggest storm ever.
No buts. Yeah. No buts. No cuts. I mean, no buts. No what's. No coconut. No buts. No what's. No coconut.
Get your jammies on.
Nighty night.
I'll sit up with you.
I'm going to go pass out. And watch your face on my little bobber.
Howard's probably going to go out.
My dirty clothes, please.
Don't worry, it is. No,
Shani, are you keeping your socks on?
guys.
No, I'm going to be taking them off when I go to bed.
Guys, if we die, all of us die.
We're not going to die, Alex. Shut up.
You're safer in here probably than outside. I don't know.
Well,
That's
if
some pretty wicked
it
shit.
strikes us, it'll go through the house.
You know that page there, like for Topsail Island, 2 people just got struck by lightning on that beach.
When?
Father and daughter both got zapped last week. So it's not impossible. That lightning will sense you and like come zipping down out of the sky and find you. It's like getting electrocuted. You can die.
One time I
I'm
watched
ending
a
this.
video on YouTube.
I'm ending
Someone
this.
who